Good morning, F2, and welcome to our maths lesson. Have a think. What day is it today? While you're thinking about that, let's sign the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yesterday, it was Sunday. We just had the weekend. Today is the first day of school. What day is it today? If you said Monday, you're right. My turn. Today is Monday. Your turn. Well done. Okay, we're going to keep practicing finding one more. Let's do this one together. First, I'm going to read the sentence. It says, 1 more than 4 is... So first I have 4, then I add 1 more, and now I can see that I have 5. The top row of my 10 frame is full. That tells me that 1 more than 4 is 5. Your job looks a little bit different today. But what I want you to do is answer each of these sentences by using your 10 frame. Write all of your answers down just like I have on the screen, and then come back and we'll talk about the pattern that we can see. Pause the video while you find the answers. Okay, now let's have a look at these together. So you will have used your 10 frame to help you. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to see if I can remember the answers, and you can shout it out at me as I say the sentence. Are you ready? 1 more than 1 is 2, that's right. 1 more than 2 is 3, well done. 1 more than 3 is 4, fantastic. 1 more than 4 is 5, that's right. And 1 more than 5 is 6, well done. Now, if I look really carefully at these numbers, I can see a pattern. I'm going to read the numbers going down. The first number that I'm going to look at is this one. The first number that we started with when we worked out how many we had. Now, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a pattern there. My numbers are in the right order, just like when I count along the number line. So my numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we count up our number line, we know that our numbers are getting bigger, just like these are. Let's find out what the number was when we added 1 more. I wonder if we'll find another pattern. Are you ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just like last time, we're counting up, just like when we count along our number line. And there's a pattern. It's getting bigger every time. So we found 2 patterns today. Well done if you spotted them too. Okay, today we're going to be looking at whole groups, but this time we're using amounts. Now, Charlotte has 6 cars, and what I want to know is this here the whole group? So is this that I'm putting the ring around the whole group of Charlotte's cars? If I want to find that out, what I need to do is I need to count them. If I have the whole group, remember, I will have all of them. Charlotte has 6 cars, so I need to be able to count 6 cars to have the whole group. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It tells me Charlotte has 6 cars, and that's what I have here. Is it the whole group? Yes, it is. How do I know that? I know that this is the whole group of 6 because I have all of them. I have all 6 of Charlotte's cars. Let's have another go. This time, we're looking at Max's cars, and these are the cars that we're going to count. It says Max has 3 cars. Is this the whole group? So first we need to count the cars. 1, 2, 3. Max has 3 cars. There are 3 cars in this group. Is it the whole group? Yes, it is the whole group. But how do we know? We know this is the whole group of 3 because we have all of them. Now it's your turn. Your job's a little bit different because what I want you to do is I want you to draw the whole group of cars. Remember, when we have the whole group, we have all of the cars. This is what we're doing. It says AJ has 4 cars. Draw a picture to show his whole group of cars. Think about how many cars AJ has and make sure you draw all of them. Pause the video while you have a go, then use the red sentence at the bottom of the screen to tell your grown-up how you know that you have drawn the whole group. Okay, now you've had a turn. Let's have a look at it together. So it says AJ has 4 cars. And your job was to draw a picture to show his whole group. How many cars did you draw? Let's have a look at the picture underneath and see if you did the same. So, here's our whole group. Let's count how many cars we needed to make AJ's whole group. 1, 2, 3, 4. So AJ has 4 cars, so we needed to draw 4 cars to make the whole group. How do we know that we've got the whole group? If you didn't have time to do this, use the red sentence at the bottom to tell your grown-up how you know that this is the whole group. Pause the video while you do that. Now let's do it together. This is the whole group of 4 because I have all of them. It says AJ has 4 cars and I have all of his 4 cars. So I know that I have the whole group. Now, let's just have a think. Charlotte's whole group has 6 cars. AJ's whole group has 4 cars. So the children do not have the same number of cars, but they're both whole groups. So because it says that Charlotte has 6 cars and we have 6 cars here, we have the whole group because we have all 6 of the cars. We have all of them. AJ's group has 4 cars. And because there are 4 cars here, we know that we have the whole group because we have all of them. It doesn't matter. Whole groups do not need to be the same amount. As long as we have all of them, then that's okay. Now, let's see if we can work out whether these children have their whole group of objects and say how we know. It says Tim has 5 pencils. Is this the whole group. Let's put our ring around so that we know which group we are counting. So here's the group that we are counting. Do we have the whole group? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. It says Tim has 5 pencils, but this group only has 4. This is not the whole group of 5 because I do not have all of them. I only have 4. I need one more to have the whole group. Let's have a look at this one. This is the group that we are looking at. It says Joseph has 3 dogs. Is this the whole group? What do you think? Should we count them to find out? 1, 2, 3. So Joseph has 3 dogs. There are 3 dogs in this group. Is it the whole group? Yes, it is. But how do we know that? This is the whole group of 3 because I have all of them. I have all 3 of Joseph's dogs. Now it's your turn. It says Sarah has 6 sweets. I want you to count the sweets inside the circle and work out whether it is the whole group. Then use the red sentence at the bottom to tell your grown-up how you know. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, now let's look at it together. So it says Sarah has 6 sweets. Let's find out whether this is the whole group by counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Sarah has 6 sweets. There are 6 sweets in the group. Is it the whole group? Yes. But how do we know? Let's use the red sentence to help us. This is the whole group of 6 because I have all of them. I have all 6 of Sarah's sweets, so I have the whole group. Well done, if that's what you said. This time, we're going to draw the whole groups of objects. Here it says, Jack has 2 wheels. Can you draw the whole group? I'm going to use these circles to help me. So Jack has 2 wheels. If I'm going to draw the whole group, I need to draw all of Jack's wheels. Here's 1 wheel. No, that's not the whole group. I do not have all of them yet. Here's 2 wheels. 1, 2. Jack has 2 wheels, and there are 2 wheels in this group. I have the whole group. How do I know that it's correct? This is the whole group of 2 because I have all of them. Let's have a go at this one. This time, we're drawing biscuits. It says Zara has 5 biscuits. Can you draw the whole group? So how many do I need to draw? I need to draw all of them to make sure that I have the whole group. And Zara has 5 biscuits. All of them would be 5. Let's draw 5 biscuits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zara has 5 biscuits. There are 5 biscuits in this group. Is it the whole group? Yes. How do I know that it is correct? I know that this is the whole group of 5 because I have all of them. Let's have a go at this one. This time, it's your turn. Read the sentence at the top, draw the whole group, and then talk to your grown-up about how you know it's correct using the red sentence at the bottom of the screen. Pause the video while you do that and then come back and we'll do it together. Okay, it says, Ali has 7 footballs. Can you draw the whole group? Okay, I'm going to do big blue footballs. So Ali has 7 footballs. If I'm going to draw the whole group, I need to draw all of them. And all of them would be 7 because Ali has 7 footballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Ali has 7 footballs. There are 7 footballs in this group. Is it the whole group? Yes. How do we know that it's correct? We know that this is the whole group of 7 because, that's right, because we have all of them. Well done if you got that right. Now, one last little challenge before you have your job to do. Can you identify which group is the whole group? It says Dina has 5 teddies. Which is the whole group? Is it this group of teddies? Or is it this group of teddies? How can we work it out? We need to count each group and then decide who has all of Dina's teddies. Pause the video while you have a go. Then use the red sentence at the bottom of the screen to explain to your grown-up how you know. When you've finished, come back and we'll look at it together. Okay, now you've had a go all by yourself. Let's have a look at it together. So it says Dina has 5 teddies. To find the whole group, we need to find which group has all of Dina's teddies. Now remember, Dina has 5 teddies, so that's how many we are looking for. We need a group that has 5 teddies. Then they have all of Dina's teddies. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This group has 5 teddies. It has all 5 of Dina's teddies. I wonder if this could be the whole group. Before we decide, let's check this group. 1, 2, 3. No, this is not the whole group. It does not have all of Dina's teddies. But this one has 5, just like Dina. This is the whole group. But how do I know? I know that this is the whole group of 5 because I have all of them. Well done if you got that right. Now, here's your job for today. I want you to identify whether or not you have the whole group. Ask your grown-up to help you to read the sentence, then count the objects to work out whether you have the whole group. Don't forget to take a picture and send it to your class email address. I can't wait to see how you get on. That's the end of our maths lesson today. See you tomorrow.